This is my new under the cabinet range hood. It can be operated by a remote control or by the hand gesture or by touching the control panel. It also has a timer to stop the fan. The lowest one is 3 minutes. It goes from 3 minutes to 15 minutes. It is very powerful and I like it.